Now in this section we go to get all the category list from the database Firebase. Donc for that we need to create service category. We have component courses. He will use a service category, and the service category he will call the backend Firebase, and he will get all categories list. So the service category he called the backend, and after we inject the service category in the component courses. I mean, for that, never you call the component to a backend Firebase. All time you need to call the service, and the service call to the backend. For that, we go to our project and we will create a service category. To create a service, we open a new terminal, and our service, it will be created in common, because a list of category, it's common for all modules. So for that, we will do cd source, cd app, cd modules, and go common, and cd services. And now we create category service. So we do ng generate service categories. Now he is created. We go to our service, so common, service, and category. And here we will import the module for Firebase, for database. For that we do from and here Angular database. We will inject this service. We do private db for Angular for the Fire database. Now we will create a method to get all categories. So we do get all categories, and for that we will call the db and list, which list of collection, its categories. And for that we call snapshot change. So we have created this method get all categories for the service category service. Now we go to a courses component and we will use this service. So we go to courses for courses and for the courses component.ts. And for that we will inject the service. So we do private service categories. We import, and here we will call get all category. For that we do this category get all categories is observable. The return is observable. So we come back for this and we do return. And here it's return observable. So we will must to subscribe. So subscribe, and for that we'll display the list of categories. So we do category console log of category. Control S. Now we go to navigator. Here we click courses, inspect, and here we have the list of category. The list of category, we have the K, and payload. And in payload there is the value. We have array for 3 category. Now we need to call the pipe operator to get only the backend, the key and the value. What can do this? We come back in our project. Donc we go to our category, and for that we call the pipe. And in the pipe inside we can call one or more times for operator. We use map for that, and the map we have to call it for import map from RxJS. So RxJS operators. So, and for that we choose change, for example, and for change we do other map also. And for that we can use a k c payload.k, and for that, and also c dot payload dot value. With a map, for that we have only the key and the value. So Ctrl S, we go to the navigator. We have error, so we need to close. It's okay. We go to navigator and courses, aspect, console, and now with operator map we have only the key and the label. Now it's okay. Now we come back for the courses, and here we will define a category. It's an array of type any, and for that we take the category from here, tab is and category. So now we go to courses HTML, the template, and we will display the list of category. So for that we use ng4 let category of categories, and here dot label, and for that we bind for that for label, and here we display also category label. And in the future we will use .k, but for this moment we display only the label. Ctrl S, we go to our application, and as you see we have the list of categories: backend, big data, and frontend. Now we get all the category dynamically from the backend. It's from here, the backend and the label. And the next time you will get all courses for our application.